Today, we are going to learn how to break YouTube, like Verstappen does with his opponents in a F1 race. We are going to learn how to create F1 news videos like this one, but also, we are going to see the scripts, sources, and every step that you need to become viral. For this, we're using a tool that will help us with all the work. The only thing that will matter to us is researching the news that has the potential to go viral and working a bit on the scripts to make them engaging. But wait, there's more. If this video doesn't hit 10,000 views in 1 week, I'll give a lifetime account to one of the people who comments "I want it" below and explains why. That's how confident I am that this method works. Oh, and did I mention I'm going to share the exact method I used on one of my channels to get viral videos? That's right. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create these kinds of videos without too much effort. Sit back, take some notes, and make sure you hit the like and subscribe button to rewatch this video as many times as you need. Let's start with the basics, the sources of information. Do you want to have success with your F1 channel? Yes, obviously. What a silly question. So, what's the most important thing for an F1 fan? To know the most recent and important news that's happening, nothing else. For this, we can go to these pages, and from each one we can pick one of the latest news items that catches our attention. For example, I will go to this one and select this news item. It's important to know that if you want to replicate this same style for other sports news, you'll have to do the same. Research a list of potential websites where the most recent news is published. Create a favorites folder in Chrome and add them to the folder. That way, when you need to create a video, you can go directly to one of those sources. Now we know what we want our video to be about. We have to think on the potential script. But for this, we will go to our tool, videotok. Videotok will let you create viral F1 news videos in just a matter of minutes. But not only that, it is an AI tool that will let you create any style of videos for shorts or long 16.9 videos. And no, I know what you're thinking, not those generic AI-generated videos that just get by on YouTube. I'll show you how to create some pretty interesting and engaging content for F1 fans, exactly like some of the best channels as the race channel does. To start the creation, let's go to videotok.app. Once on the website, click on Create Video, or in the top right corner to register and create an account. Once we have our account, we can start creating our videos. Here's where it gets interesting. Let's just enter the URL that we chose before, and Videotok will automatically extract the relevant information and create a potential script for us. After that, let's click to select Google Images. You can choose also AI images, but for my channel, I prefer to use real images from Google. Now let's select the language and voice you like. For example, you could use your own voice cloned, or one of the options that Videotok offers. Now we are ready to click on Generate and wait just a few seconds to have our script ready. Now the app shows us a script that is generated from the URL we pasted. From here, we could change it and improve our script. It is important to mention that the script is the most important factor to have a viral video or not. Good script plus a viral or important news, and we have a viral video. Guaranteed. How we make sure we have a good script? We have to make sure we do some of the following things. Hook immediately. Start with a powerful, attention-grabbing opening that introduces your video's core concept rapidly. This could be a provocative question, a surprising fact, or a bold statement that piques curiosity. Establish context and credibility. Quickly provide background information and show why you're qualified to speak on the topic. This builds trust with your audience and sets the stage for your content. Outline the structure. Briefly tell viewers what they'll learn or experience in the video. This creates anticipation and helps retain audience attention. Develop character. Focus on building a connection with your audience. Show personality, share a relevant anecdote, or demonstrate empathy with your viewers' challenges. This longer segment allows for deeper engagement. Deliver core content. Present your main ideas, tips, or information clearly and concisely. Use simple language, vivid examples, and logical flow to keep viewers engaged. By following this structure and incorporating these elements, you'll create a good script that engages viewers and effectively delivers your message, increasing your chances of creating a viral video. So, let me modify a bit the script provided by Videotok, and let's click on the Accept button. Now the platform is going to create the full video for us in just 1 minute. Yes, just 1 minute. And you will have all the images, video clips, voiceover, and the video mounted. Once the video is ready, we can click on the Open Video button. As you can see, now we have a full editor page with our video ready. We can click on the play button and watch the generated video.
Carlos Sainz just signed with Williams for 2025, but his former teammate Lando Norris believes he should have held out for a Red Bull seat. Norris thinks Sainz could have replaced Sergio Perez, who's been struggling to keep up with Max Verstappen. It's a bold move by Williams, snagging a top driver like Sainz, but Norris says that Red Bull has missed a...
But that's not everything. Now it could even look a bit simple. So let's start modifying the video. We can start changing the captions for one of the styles we prefer, like this one or this other style. I like to have some minimal and yellow color captions, so I am going to choose this one. Of course, you'll want to change and possibly expand on the added images. So what I like to do is go to the Footage tab and start adding more images, videos, and even GIFs that can make our video more entertaining. That way, your content will stand out, and F1 fans will be more likely to watch till the end, giving the video higher retention. But we're not done yet. If you look into the Footage tab, you will see that you can add transitions and backgrounds in bulk. For F1 news, I like to add dynamic transitions to all my clips, but I don't want to go one by one. So what I would do is click on Batch Add Transitions and select all the transitions I want. We can even add background videos to our images. That's something amazing that the platform offers, like those animated backgrounds you can see in a lot of YouTube videos. Let's click on Batch Add Background Videos and select the backgrounds we like. I am going to do a mix of this background and empty backgrounds. This will apply the backgrounds to our images, but not to our videos. Now our video is much better. We can also go to the Publish tab, go to YouTube and click Generate. Here Videotok is going to create the title, description, and hashtags that we need to publish on YouTube. When you've got your content ready, click on Export, wait a couple of seconds, and you'll have your F1 news video ready. Let's take a look at some examples I have created.
Carlos Sainz just signed with Williams for 2025, but his former teammate Lando Norris believes he should have held out for a Red Bull seat. Norris thinks Sainz could have replaced Sergio Perez, who's been struggling to keep up with Max Verstappen. It's a bold move by Williams, snagging a top driver like Sainz, but Norris says that Red Bull has missed a golden opportunity here.
Oye, ¿te has enterado de la última bomba en la Fórmula 1? Resulta que Audi acaba de fichar a Mattia Binotto como director técnico y de operaciones. Pero espera, que hay más. Oliver Hoffmann y Andreas Seidel, que estaban al frente del proyecto, se van. Parece que Audi no le gusta cómo están yendo las cosas y quiere entrar en la F1 con todo. Binotto empezará...
Now, creating a video like this manually would have taken at least several hours of writing, searching for F1 images and clips, and editing. You'd be able to post at max a few times a week. But since you can create them in a matter of minutes with Videotok, you'll be able to post multiple times a week, possibly even growing multiple sports news channels at the same time. But before you go, I've got something exciting to share with you. If you're interested in trying out Videotok for yourself, you're in luck. You can find a special link in the description below that will give you a 10% discount on the platform. But that's not all. Videotok is currently offering an amazing lifetime deal. This means you can get access to the platform by paying just once. Now let's talk about what this all means for you. By implementing the strategies and tools I've shared today, you're not just creating videos, you're building your own content company. What? Yes, creating content can become something very lucrative on the long run. It will not happen soon, you are not going to earn 10K a month next week, but you can start earning your first 100 subscribers, thousands later, and in a few months or years you could become one of the leading sources of information in your sports niche. But remember, this only works if you take action. So, what are you waiting for? That's it for this video. See you in the next one.